The moment Jessica boarded that plane, she had no idea she was about to become the center of an unforgettable story, one that would leave fellow travelers speechless and spark thousands of hearts online. From the minute she saw her seat, tension crackled in the air. But what happened next flipped her journey upside down and changed her life forever. A flight unlike any other. Jessica, a dedicated military trainee, was finally heading home for the holidays after months away, each day intensifying her ache for family. Her sense of duty always came first, yet at the airport, nerves gnawed at her as a mysterious man strode toward her, making her question every ounce of her training. Something in the air felt off. An overbooked flight and a crowd of strangers meant anything could happen. The mystery unfolds. Passed over for comfort due to the steely realities of economy class, Jessica eyed the plush business seats she'd never afford, not realizing yet that fate was about to intervene. While she searched for her seat, she noticed hushed conversations between flight attendants, quick glances, and secretive giggles. Her instincts screamed that she was being talked about. Suddenly, the tension snapped. A stranger appeared beside her, claiming Jessica was in his seat and insisted she check her boarding pass. The confusion escalated, but instead of confrontation, he delivered a shocking twist. Out of deep respect for her service, he offered her his coveted business class ticket, urging her to accept it as a small gesture of gratitude. Acts of kindness spark connection. Stunned and reluctant, Jessica accepted the upgrade, marveling at the generous gift as she settled into the luxurious seat her body so badly needed. Realizing the stranger's own discomfort now in the cramped economy, she scribbled a heartfelt note. If everyone treated people the way you treated the servicewoman, the world would be a better place, and attached a $20 bill as thanks.